Introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Nanette Pilingyan. I was born on February 27, 1984 from province of Abra and presently residing at 822A, Condo F. Antonio Street, Villarehina, Pasig City. I'm a college graduate, single and 25 years old.
Okay. Applying as a domestic helper is a very big task. You're doing a household chores as well taking care of kids. Can you portray that?
Yes, sir, I can do. Yes, mom, I can do. First, I can attend the kids while cleaning and I can attend the kids while cleaning, watching them, and also other duties as required by the employer.
What will you do if your employer asks you not take day off for a month because they have important things to attend?
It's okay, sir. For me, it's okay if they will not take me a day off. It's okay for me because aside from that, you can earn money, and besides, you need so you can earn money, and besides, you also aside from earning money, you can also work inside a house required by the employer.
Okay, please tell us now about your work experience.
Okay. I work in Dubai, United Arab Emirates for 2 years as a domestic helper and a private tutor. I finished my contract and I am hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, and patient, sir.
What about naughty children? Can you take care of them?
Yes, sir, I can take care of them. By simply go with them, play with them, and becoming a friend of them.
Do you know how to cook? What kind of foods can you cook?
I know a little bit, sir, but for Filipino food only.
Most people in Hong Kong can speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, sir, for the better understanding between the employer and the domestic helper like me, sir.
Do you know what is domestic helper means is?
Yes. Yes, sir. A domestic helper means required to work a household chores such as cleaning, washing, ironing, or also perform cooking, take care of the babies, the child, like that, and other duties and responsibilities which is required by the employer.
What will you do if the two kids that you're taking care of is fighting in front of you?
Sir, I will talk to them and ask them why. Then after that, I let them to become friends, and also I will play with them.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high salary. And aside from that, I can provide better help for my family because of higher salary in return of my services, sir.
Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Mom, sir, if you choose me as your domestic helpers or as your server or servant, I will do my best to I will perform my best, which is I will do my best to serve you, and I promise to finish my contract, to be obedient, patient, and honest. Be honest to the employer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.